So त्यसको लागि चाहिँ मेरो advice, if anybody is trying to end up a role in marketing, is start with a company which allows you to explore all the other functions before you actually start marketing. Hello, I'm Diptangshu. I'm a marketing faculty. Currently, I'm IMC, Integrated Marketing Communications, Storytelling and Business Communications. I'm taking those courses. I'm KCM 2005 to 2009 graduate. KCM has been very rich with events and things, and I also got a lot of opportunity as a student my leadership roles. So that was the experience during my student life at KCM. I started my doctorate journey also while teaching at KCM and completed it last year. After I finished 2009 at KCM, I went for an MBA to Japan. So I finished my MBA with my major being international management as the subject. And I was always sure of wherever I go for the MBA, I wanted to come back to Nepal. So when I came back to Nepal, I applied to a couple of places and I got through Unilever. Given that it's an MNC and it's a big company, elaborated in every sense. And I was very clear after my MBA about working with a marketing role. And plus Unilever I got brand manager K role, which meant it completely aligned with whatever my career aspiration was. So it was a very good learning experience in terms of how a brand establishes in a country like Nepal, how it works towards creating a market. Every day, the communication role that we had internally, getting an opportunity to talk to global teams sitting in UK, sitting in the US, or just sitting in India also, it was amazing. And there's a vast, learning that I can bring from the field to the classroom. So it has always helped me. So त्यसको लागि चाहिँ मेरो advice, if anybody is trying to end up a role in marketing, is start with a company which allows you to explore all the other functions before you actually start marketing. And in my understanding, I think, with the corporate experience I had at Unilever is, Unilever was such a place that initial days trainee period, which was 6 months, which is of course a long period of time. They trained us not because I was in brand marketing division. They did not put me there in that seat. They trained me through all the other departments before I landed on that seat, which meant you get a perspective of how all the other functions, are carried out in an organization. Start with any small company, big company, doesn't matter. As long as you're happy doing the job, and if your happiness it's different parameters to different people. But majority of the time, if you're doing something that you're enjoying on a daily basis, some part of whatever you've learned in the classroom, you're able to apply. If things are going in the right direction, you see the company is growing at the end of the day. And boliko dinma future I see a lot of students, most of their aim is to have a startup in the future. So let's say 5 years, 10 years after learning in an organization, if you think you can take away something to start that organization of your own, you're already profiting in many ways. So that should be your career objective, I think.